What's up, everybody? It's Rich with LaytonSportsCards.com, ripping a box of 2013 Topps Museum Football. This is for Kris Chilcote. Best of luck, Kris. Let's see what you got, buddy. One, two, three, and four. Celebrity-wise, I guess you could say Dave Sharp and Tracy Hackler. Brian Seek is kind of a celebrity. Joe D is kind of a celebrity. Kelper, he's a celebrity. Tracy Hackler signed it. That's pretty cool. Dave Sharp signed it from Panini. Jay Pangan. Jay Pangan signed it. He's over there. He's a artist for Leaf and a couple other people. Does the sketch cards. Quite a few people signed it. All customers of ours and friends and stuff. Ronnie Lott, Denard Robinson, Brett Favre. Canvas collection of Steve Largent. And there's my boy, 22 of 50. Very nice quad. Aaron Dobson. Ryan 90 is a celebrity in many levels. Jonesy signed it. Frosty signed it. Got a blue parallel Reggie Wayne. 69 of 99. Jared Allen, Monty Ball, Joe Flacco. Second hit, Jumbo Pro Bowl relic, Jermaine Gresham. 15 of 50. Corey's going to sign it in August. Awesome. Denard Robinson, Tavon Austin, Troy Aikman, Justin Hunter, and nice veteran hit, on-card auto, Jason Pierre-Paul. Nice veteran hit. Jason Pierre-Paul, 47 of 50. Nice hit. Last pack. Kristen Michael, Marcus Lattimore, Mike Glennon, DeAndre Hopkins. Last hit. It's a beautiful gold parallel. 3 of 25 rookie patch auto. Gio Bernard. Very nice hit. Congrats, Kris. We'll get those right out to you, buddy. Appreciate it, man.